In this video, I teach you how to dry the clothes fabric. Hello, this is Nafis and you're watching the last part of Harry Potter's portrait tutor. Yes, it's finally over. I just started with adding some details on his wand and clothes. This is the next month and I'm going to finish this portrait. Yay! Well, I'm going to check every part and detail on the portrait for the last time. I'm going to add more shadows and more highlights. Just look at my brush to see how I'm shading. As I said in the previous videos, we're going to practice all kinds of portraits together. I'm recording new lips drawing for next video, but I have a question for you. Do you think it's better to talk and teach on the videos or just music? Which one do you prefer more? When I shaded initial shadows of the fabric, I draw the lines of fabric with a pencil and fade them. Then, with a pencil eraser, I highlight the brighter parts of the fabric texture, and then I fade them again with a brush. And the last thing we need is a little tap with a pasty eraser. This way, shadows and lights will be coordinated. And finally, we have reached the most enjoyable part of drawing, removing the paper tapes. Ooh, it's so satisfying. I hope you have enjoyed Harry Potter's portrait videos. In the next video, I'll teach lips drawing, so remember to subscribe and activate the bell. See you soon!